11th standard business maths, first chapter matrices and determinants, exercise number 1.2, seventh sum. If A inverse is equal to given the matrix, then find A. We know that A inverse whole power inverse equal to A. We know that. So A we should find out, then A inverse, its inverse we should find out. So determinant, first one, determinant of A inverse we should find out. Determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant of 1 0 3 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1. So determinant value we should find out. So first one we should take a 1. It's a modulus of the straight row and column eliminate. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Next minus 0. It's a determinant of the straight row and the column eliminate. 2 minus 1 1 1. 2 minus 1 1 1. Plus 3. Determinant of the straight row and the column eliminate. 2 1 1 minus 1. 2 1 1 minus 1. We should find out this value. 1 into 1 1 minus is a symbol. Minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1. Minus 0 into anything is what? 0. Plus 3 into 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2. Minus is a symbol. 1 1 is a 1. Equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 0 into 1 is what? 0. Minus 0 plus 3 into minus 3. 2 minus 1 is minus 3 equal to 0 is leave it. 3 into minus 3 is what? Minus 9. This is a determinant of A inverse. So determinant of A inverse not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse whole power inverse exists. Now we should find out cofactor of A inverse. Cofactor of A inverse we should find out. Cofactor of A inverse is Aij inverse is equal to cofactors factor matrix we should find out. Cofactor of 1 is the straight row and column eliminate. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. First one is the plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Next is the symbol is minus. It's a modulus of cofactor of 0. The straight row and column eliminate. 2 minus 1 1 1. 2 minus 1 1 1. Next is the determinant of plus is the symbol there. Cofactor of 3, the straight row and the column eliminate. 2 1 1 minus 1. 2 1 1 minus 1. Next symbol is minus. Cofactor of 2, the straight row and the column eliminate. 0 3 minus 1 1. 0 3 minus 1 1. Next is the plus is the symbol. Next cofactor of 1, the straight row and column eliminate. 1 3 1 1. 1 3 1 1. Next is the symbol minus. Cofactor of minus 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 0 1 minus 1. 1 0 1 minus 1. Next is plus is the symbol. Cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 0 3 1 minus 1. 0 3 1 minus 1. Next minus is the symbol. Cofactor of minus 1 in the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 3 2 minus 1. 1 3 2 minus 1. Next is the plus symbol. Cofactor of 1, the straight row and the column eliminate. 1 0 2 1. 1 0 2 1. This is a cofactor of A inverse. Cofactor of A inverse. So Aij inverse equal to, matrix form is 1 into 1 is 1, minus is a symbol, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Next minus is a symbol, 2 ones are 2, minus is a symbol, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus is a plus 1. Next 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2, 1 into 1 is a 1, here symbol is minus 1. Next minus is a symbol, minus of 0 into 1 is 0, minus is a symbol here, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus into minus plus 3. Next 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3 is 3, so minus is a symbol, 1 minus 3, minus of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 0. Next 0 into minus 1 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3, here is a minus is a symbol, so minus 3. So minus of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 3s are 6, minus 6. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 0, 0, minus 0. Aij inverse, cofactor of A inverse is 1 minus 1, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into minus is what? Minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3, 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 into minus is minus 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1, minus into minus is plus 1, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7, minus 7 into minus is what? Plus 7, 1 minus 0 is 1. This is a cofactor of A inverse. We should find out adjoint A inverse equal to Aij inverse whole power transpose. It's a transpose matrix we should find out. It's rows are columns, columns are rows we should change. So first row 0, minus 3, minus 3 we should change in column. Next row minus 3, minus 2, 1. Next row minus 3, 7, 1. So this is a adjoint A inverse. We should find out A inverse whole power inverse. A inverse whole power inverse is equal to, we know that the formula 1 divided by determinant of A inverse into adjoint A inverse equal to 1 divided by determinant of A inverse, we know that what is a minus 9. So 1 divided by minus 9, adjoint of A inverse is so this is adjoint of A inverse 0, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 7, minus 3, 1, 1. This minus take inside of the A inverse whole power inverse is what? A equal to, it's a 1 by 9, minus is take inside, 0 into minus is what? 0, minus into minus plus 3, minus into minus plus 3, minus into minus plus 3, minus into minus is plus 2, minus 7, minus into minus is plus 3, minus 1, minus 1. That's all the A matrix.